a helping hand at the laundromat.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What's the problem?
This washing machine doesn't work.
Oh, what did you do?
I put my clothes in and my soap, but it won't start.
Did you put money in?
Yes, I put in a dollar bill, but nothing happened.
Ah, I see. These machines don't take bills. They only take quarters.
Quarters? Oh no, I don't have any coins.
Don't worry, there is a change machine on the wall over there.
A change machine? That's wonderful.
Yes, you can put your dollar bills in and you will get quarters back.
Thank you so much. How many quarters do I need?
You need 12 quarters for one wash. That's $3.
Okay, 12 quarters. Thank you for your help.
No problem at all. Are you new to this neighborhood?
Yes, I am. I just moved to Chicago from Mexico. My name is Elena.
Welcome. I'm Tom. It's nice to meet you, Elena.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Using the laundromat is easy once you know how. I am happy you were here to help me.
After you get the coins, it's a piece of cake.
Thank you again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Looking for the library.
Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Can you help me?
I can try. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the main public library. My map app isn't working.
Oh, the big library on Jefferson Street. You are close.
That's good to hear. Can you give me directions?
Of course. It's pretty simple. We're on Park Avenue now.
Okay, Park Avenue. I see the sign.
You need to go straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Go straight for 2 blocks. Got it.
Then you will see a big bank at the corner. Turn right there.
So turn right at the bank.
Yes. After you turn right, walk for 1 more block.
Okay, 1 more block.
The library is a very large white building. You can't miss it.
A big white building. That sounds easy.
It is. It's a walk in the park from here.
How long will it take to walk there?
Maybe 10 minutes. It's not far at all.
This is so helpful. I was walking in the wrong direction.
Don't mention it. I'm happy to help.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Enjoy the library.
I will. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Checking in.
Good evening. I have a reservation for a room tonight.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel in New York. What is your last name, please?
My name is Anna Petrova.
Thank you, Miss Petrova. Let me check the system. Ah, yes, I see it. A room for 2 nights.
That's right. Is my room ready now?
Yes, it is. We have a quiet room for you on the 5th floor with a city view.
That sounds lovely. Thank you. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Okay, and is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is. Here is the network name and password for you.
Thank you. I have another question. The taxi from the airport was very expensive.
I understand. The traffic in New York can be difficult.
Is there a subway station near the hotel?
Yes, there is one just around the corner. It's very convenient.
Oh, perfect. That will make my day.
It's much cheaper and often faster than a taxi.
I will definitely use the subway tomorrow. Thank you for the tip.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that is all for now. Can I have my room key, please?
Of course. Here's your key card for room 512. The elevators are on your right.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your stay in New York.
Thank you. I will.
Making an appointment.
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor.
Good morning. Is this your first time at our clinic in Miami?
Yes, it is. I am a new patient.
Okay, I can help with that. Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's Carlos Garcia.
Thank you, Mr. Garcia. And your date of birth?
March 15th, 1992.
Got it. What is the reason for your visit? Is it an emergency?
Oh, no, it's not an emergency. I just need a general checkup.
I see. Let me check the doctor's schedule. When are you free?
I am free next week in the afternoon.
Okay, we have an opening next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Does that work for you?
Tuesday at 2 p.m. Yes, that is perfect for me.
Great. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Please remember to bring your insurance card and a photo ID with you to the appointment.
Okay, my insurance card and my ID. I will remember.
We also ask that new patients arrive 15 minutes early to fill out some paperwork.
Arrive 15 minutes early. Sounds like a plan.
It just helps things run smoothly. We will send you a text message to remind you the day before.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
So we will see you next Tuesday at 2 p.m.
Yes, thank you for your help. You've been as clear as a bell.
You're very welcome, Mr. Garcia. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
A new friend in a coffee shop.
Excuse me, all the other tables are full. Is this chair free?
Yes, of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you so much. It is very busy in here today. My name is Maya.
I'm Alex. It's nice to meet you, Maya.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from around here? You seem to know the city.
I am. I grew up here in Seattle. What about you? I don't recognize your accent.
I am from South Korea. I moved here for my job about 6 months ago.
Welcome to Seattle. I hope you like it here.
I do. The people are friendly, but the rain is something new for me.
Yes, you have to get used to the rain. We call it liquid sunshine.
That's funny. I see you are reading a book about art. Do you like art?
I love it. I'm an art student at the local college.
That's wonderful. I enjoy visiting museums on the weekend.
Really? There is a new exhibition at the Seattle Art Museum this month.
Oh, I didn't know that. It sounds interesting.
I was planning to go this weekend. It's always more fun to go with someone.
Are you asking me to go with you?
Yes, if you are free. I know it's out of the blue, but you seem nice.
I would love to. I am free on Saturday afternoon.
Great. It's a date then. We can meet there. It is so nice to make a new friend.
I agree. It can be hard to meet people. This must be my lucky day.
Mine too. What time should we meet on Saturday?
How about 1 p.m. at the museum entrance?
Perfect. I'll see you on Saturday, Maya. Opening a bank account.
Good morning. I need some help. I want to open a new bank account.
Good morning. You've come to the right place. Please, take a seat. I'm Mr. Davis.
Thank you. My name is Paula Rosie. I am new to Denver.
Welcome to Denver, Mr. Rossi. We can open an account for you right now. Do you need a checking or a savings account?
What is the difference? My English is still a little new.
No problem. A checking account is for everyday money. You use it to pay for food, rent, and bills.
Okay, and a savings account.
A savings account is for money you want to keep for the future. You don't spend it often.
I understand. I need a checking account for my new job salary.
A checking account is perfect then. To get started, I need to see some identification.
I have my passport with my visa. Is that okay?
That's perfect. I also need proof of your address. Do you have a utility bill or a lease agreement?
I have my apartment lease agreement right here.
Excellent. This will be as easy as pie. I just need you to fill out this application form.
Thank you. I will try my best.
Take your time. Let me know if you have any questions.
This question asks about a debit card. What is that?
A debit card lets you take cash from an ATM and pay for things in stores directly from your account.
Oh, yes. I definitely need one of those.
Great. Once you finish the form, just sign at the bottom and we'll be good to go.
Okay, I am finished. Here you are.
Wonderful. Everything looks perfect. Your new account is now open.
That was much easier than I expected. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Your official debit card will arrive by mail in about a week. Welcome to our bank.
Thank you, Mr. Davis. Have a great day.
The right laptop for school.
Hello. Welcome to City Electronics. Are you looking for anything special today?
Hi, yes, I need to buy a new laptop. I am a little confused by all the options.
I understand. There are a lot of them. I can help. What will you be using it for?
It's for my studies. I'm a student at the University of Texas, here in Austin.
Great. So you'll use it for writing essays, email, and browsing the internet.
Exactly. and maybe for watching movies sometimes.
Okay. Are you on a budget?
Yes, I am trying to find something that is not too expensive.
We have this model on sale this week. It's very popular with students. It's reliable and a very good price.
Oh, that sounds good. Is it heavy? I need to carry it to the campus every day.
No, it's very lightweight. You can hold it. See?
Wow, you're right. That's perfect. What about the battery?
The battery lasts for about 7 hours. It should be enough for your classes.
That's great. It seems to have everything I need. It's hard to choose.
I understand. But for your needs and budget, this one is your best bet.
Okay, I trust you. I will take this one.
I think you're making a good choice.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, it has a 1-year warranty included.
You've really hit the nail on the head. This is exactly what I was looking for.
I'm glad I could help. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
By card, please. Thank you again for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new laptop.
A change of breakfast plans.
Good morning, sleepyhead. Time to get up.
Morning. 5 more minutes. I feel like I just went to sleep.
No, it's already 7:30 a.m. I'm making coffee. Do you want some?
Yes, please. You are a lifesaver. What are we having for breakfast?
I was thinking of making pancakes. We have that new maple syrup.
Pancakes. That's a great idea. I'm really hungry.
Okay, can you get the milk and eggs out of the refrigerator for me?
Sure. Here are the eggs. Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
The milk carton is empty. I think I finished it yesterday.
Oh no, we can't make pancakes without milk.
Well, so much for that idea. I'm sorry.
It's okay, we just need a new plan. Let's see what else we have.
We still have the eggs, and there is some cheese and bread.
Ooh, I know, we can make omelets with toast.
That sounds delicious too. I can slice the cheese.
Perfect. And I will cook the eggs. This will be a quick and easy breakfast.
And it's still a hot breakfast. That's better than nothing.
Exactly.
Okay, the coffee is ready.
And the cheese is sliced.
Great! The omelets will be ready in 5 minutes.
See, it all worked out in the end.
Teamwork. Now let's eat.
Ordering a sandwich.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hello, it's my first time here, so I need a minute to look at the menu.
Take your time. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you. Okay, I am ready. What is in the garden veggie sandwich?
That one comes with lettuce, tomato, cucumber, bell peppers, and onions.
Is there any cheese on it?
It usually comes with provolone cheese, but you can choose a different kind if you like.
No, provolone sounds perfect. I will have the garden veggie sandwich, please.
Excellent choice. And what kind of bread would you like for that?
What are my options?
We have white, whole wheat, or sourdough.
I will take the whole wheat, please. And can you toast it?
You bet. A toasted veggie sandwich is delicious. Any sauce like mayonnaise or oil and vinegar?
Just a little bit of oil and vinegar, please.
Okay, so that is one toasted garden veggie sandwich on whole wheat with provolone and oil and vinegar.
That is correct.
Will you be adding any chips or a drink today?
No, thank you. Just the sandwich.
All right. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. Your total comes to $9.75.
Thank you. You made that ordering process a walk in the park.
I'm happy to help. We'll have that ready for you in just a couple of minutes.
Great, thank you.
Making a return.
Hi there. Can I help you with something?
Yes, please. I need to return this shirt. I bought it here on Saturday.
Of course. Is there a problem with it?
No, not at all. It was a gift for my brother, but he needs a different size.
I see. That happens. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have it right here.
Perfect. Thank you. Let me see. Yes, everything looks fine. Would you like to exchange it for a medium size?
I would, but I checked on the sales floor and there are no more medium shirts in this color.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I can check our computer system to see if we have one in the stock room.
Could you? That would be great.
Let me just take a look. I am sorry. It looks like we are completely sold out of that size.
Well, it is what it is. Can I get a refund instead?
Absolutely. I can process a full refund for you. You paid with a debit card, is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. I will return the money directly to your card.
How long does that usually take?
You should see the money back in your bank account in about 3 business days.
That's fine. Is there a form I need to fill out?
No, I just need you to insert your card into the machine here.
Okay. Like this?
Perfect. All done. Here is your receipt for the return.
Thank you for making that so easy.
You're very welcome. I'm sorry the shirt didn't work out.
It's no problem. Have a good day.